Hi guys, it's Grace and today's video is going to be a bit of a haul. Not a bit of a haul, quite a big haul. I did a lot of it already. It's 82 days until I go to New York, which is really exciting and pretty surreal because I want to have some new outfits. And I think I'm going to maybe just wear like 2 outfits that are already in my wardrobe. When I'm in New York, I'm going to see Mean Girls on Broadway, which is so exciting. So me and my mum got matching tops and it just has the plastics on and then all three of them from the movie. Not quite see-through on here, but basically they are black pebble crepe tie waist cigarette trousers, and they're like sort of flowy and they're really high-waisted and then just tied. And so I got in this little bag. So this is the bag that came yesterday. It's a black NYC cropped ball hoodie, and I'm watching someone who has this, and basically apparently they wore it on the flight to New York. They wore the exact same outfit I've just ordered, but it's like quite light, but apparently it's really like warm and comfy. So this is like the top of it. Looks up there. It's not. This is a tag I can't get rid of. Basically, yeah, and then it's like the bottom. The final thing in this bag goes with, right, you're already quite questioning about this, so it goes with this, and I've already like saw some wear it, so I've started this one. These are the black pinstripe high-waisted leggings. This is my Brandy Melville package, and like right, so the first purchase I made is Skylar tank top. It's £12. I'm going to May, by the way, if you didn't realise that right now. So it's going to be like sort of like start of like hot, like it could be hot in summer and that. And this, everything's on one side, which really annoys me, so I don't know if it's going to fit. So I've got this top, which, if you saw, but I got for myself for my birthday or something, it was like that. Basically, from London haul, I got a top very similar to this, apart from it didn't have a scoop, and it was really, and it looked a lot smaller, like it was like half the size, but it did fit. So it's pretty much the same, but it's a thinner material. And then I got 2 pieces of jewellery. So I got these earrings, which I really like, the sort of like little hoops with stars. And these were £4. And I got this, which you can't really see. It's that like necklace everybody has. With my look, are any of us surprised that the necklace broke within like 2 minutes of me opening it? The trousers didn't fit because it's one size only, and my other trousers I bought from there fit. It's really sad. So I am really sad about that. It's I think we're a whole different outfit. But here are my New York pyjamas that everyone wants to see. We love them, don't we? They're literally Monster Inc. and you're not too big, so if they look massive, you know. Bye.